Hi there, Joy here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to be more productive in just 1 hour. Yes, you heard me right, in just 1 hour. So if you're feeling overwhelmed and pressed for time, then this video is for you. First things first, you're going to want to set the mood. So be sure you have a comfortable workplace, all of your tools, and put some energizing music, grab a hot beverage or a cold water, and let's get to work. Before you start, be sure to get organized. This includes writing a to-do list and having all of your tools at hand. That way, you don't have to waste time later gathering all of these things or wondering what you are going to do. Getting organized is the first step of any project you are wishing to accomplish. Having everything you need before you get started in one central area can help you to be more effective and productive as well. Next, prioritize your task. You can do this by writing a to-do list. Be sure you write everything down that you need to do so that way you're not left wondering what it is that you have to do and wasting precious minutes thinking about that. When you write down everything that you have to do, you don't waste time on the less important tasks. Be sure you write it down by priority, what is crucial to get done first. That way when the time runs out, you have gotten the crucial things done. Determine what is the most critical task that needs to be done and do it first into completion before moving on to the next task. Next, eliminate distractions. I know it can be super tempting to check out our notifications or be scrolling on social media, but for this next hour, be sure to not do that. If you have to, turn off your distractions, or you can even put your phone on do not disturb. The less distraction you have, the more you are able to focus and give it 100%. You'll be amazed at how much you get done without constantly checking our phones or looking at funny videos on YouTube and TikTok. Turn off the notifications and only use your phone to play music on shuffle. Don't even touch it. And the more you do this, the more productive you can be and you will get more done in a shorter period of time. Next, use a timer. So if you have to touch your phone, this is the one exception, beside the music, of course. Setting a timer for each task you need to complete will help you to stay more focused and avoid spending too much time on one particular task. It will also motivate you because it will be like racing against the clock. Try it and notice how much faster you move when there is a timer on. It makes it like a little game and it's so much fun. And we all know if it's fun, it'll get done. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if your finances allow and you're looking for a way to support this channel, be sure to check out the merch at buildherhome.com/merch. I'll put the link down below as well. Only if your budget allows, but it really does help. So thank you so much. Next, if you have a timer, this is a great time to implement the Pomodoro technique. This is a technique that's going to cause you to be even more productive in a super short time. Set a 25-minute timer because we're going to work in 25-minute intervals. After the 25 minutes, you're going to take a short 5-minute break. Do whatever you wish in this short break, but don't go too far because you have to come back before the 5 minutes are up. Once the 5 minutes are up, you set your 25-minute timer again and you work for that chunk of time again. This method has been proven to work and cause more productivity. I'll put some resources down below if you want to know more about this method, but it super works. So be sure to try it if you want to be more productive in 1 hour. If you have more than an hour though, you can do it 4 more times. But after that, be sure that when that break comes, you're taking a longer interval of 15 to 30 minutes so that way you don't get burnt out and become even more productive. This is a surefire way to supercharge your productivity. Next, use the 2-minute rule. Next time something takes you 2 minutes or less, just do it immediately. Don't think about it. Just do it right now. There is no need to procrastinate. This over time will make you more productive, and not only that, it will cause your home to be tidier and it will help you to get closer to your goals because instead of putting it off, you're doing it right then and there. If your shoes are in the middle of the floor and you know it will take you less than 2 minutes, pick them up and put them away. If you have mail, sort through it right then and there and put the rest in a designated place for planning and desk day if you follow the Fly Lady system. And if you don't, whatever time you have designated to go through the mail. Just be sure it has a home, and if it's less than 2 minutes, get it done. You will feel so good getting those small tasks done, and not to mention a lot more productive. If it takes more than 2 minutes, then you're welcome to write these tasks down so that you don't forget them and you have a plan for them. If you have a planner, be sure to use that. Otherwise, loose leaf reminder will work as well. Don't forget, I do have 2 productivity planners that are less than $20. I will link them down below. They're super fun and they're quarterly, so they will not let you forget your goals in the middle of the year. Get them now. It is not too late if your budget allows. They're less than $20. They're super duper fun and they will help you to accomplish your goals even faster. If you want to be more productive too, make sure you avoid multitasking. I know it can be super tempting and we think we're actually getting more done, but it can be quite stressful and eventually we'll get less things done because we're focusing on a million things versus at the task at hand. If we chase 2 birds, we'll catch none. So be sure to focus on the one task at hand, see it through until completion before moving on to the next task. Be sure to use all the tips that we've mentioned in this video and you'll find yourself being more productive in less than an hour. But if you're not done, I have even more productivity tips that you can use. Check them out in this video here and I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.